Welcome! In front of me I have DIESEL On Axial watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the circle with the line inside of it. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. It will say Do Not Disturb mode on, and the icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled, and then you can swipe up on the screen to close the quick panel, and that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode. Also, if you're on the home screen and the mode is enabled, you will see this icon right here at the top, which indicates that the mode is enabled. Okay, and to disable the mode, simply wake up the screen, open the quick panel, and tap on the icon again. It will say Do Not Disturb mode off, and the icon will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled, and the icon from the home screen will disappear as well. And that's how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode. And that's about all. That's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.